the US. Military is increasing spending on a secret research effort to use artificial intelligence to help anticipate the launch of a nuclear-capable missile, as well as track and target mobile launchers in North Korea and elsewhere. The effort has gone largely unreported, and the few publicly available data about it are buried under a layer of near impenetrable jargon in the latest Pentagon budget. But US. Officials familiar with the research told Reuters there are multiple classified programs now underway to explore how to develop AI-driven systems to better protect the United States against a potential nuclear missile strike. If the research is successful, such computer systems would be able to think for themselves, scoring huge amounts of data, including satellite imagery, with a speed and accuracy beyond the capability of humans to look for signs of preparation for a missile launch, according to more than half a dozen sources. The source included US officials who spoke on condition of anonymity because the research is classified. Forewarned, the US government would be able to pursue diplomatic options or, in the case of an imminent attack, the military would have more time to try to destroy the missile before they were launched, or try to intercept them. We should be doing everything in our power to find that missile before they launch it and make it increasingly harder to get it off the ground, one of the officials said. The Trump administration has proposed more than tripling funding in next year's budget to $83 million for just one of the AI-driven missile programs, according to several US officials and budget documents. The boost in funding has not been previously reported. While the amount is still relatively small, it is one indicator of the growing importance of the research on AI-powered anti-missile systems at a time when the United States face a more militarily assertive Russia and a significant nuclear weapons threat from long-time foe North Korea. What and machine learning allows you to do is find the needle in the haystack, said Bob Work, a champion of a technology who was Deputy Defense Secretary until last July, without referring to any individual project. One person familiar with the program said it includes a pilot project focused on North Korea. Washington is increasingly concerned about Pyongyang's development of mobile missiles that can be hidden in tunnel, forest and cave. The existence of a North Korea-focused project has not been previously reported. While that project has been kept secret, the military has been clear about its interest in it. The Pentagon, for example, has disclosed that it is using it to identify objects from video gathered in its drone program, a part of a publicly touted effort launched last year called Project Maven. Still, some US officials say spending overall on military programs remains woefully inadequate. ARMS race the Pentagon is in a race against China and Russia to infuse more into its war machine, to create more sophisticated autonomous systems that are able to learn by themselves to carry out specific tasks. The Pentagon research on using it to identify potential missile threats and track mobile launchers is in its infancy and is just one part of that overall effort. There are scant details on the missile research, but one US official told Reuters that an early prototype of a system to track mobile missile launchers was already being tested within the US military. This project involves military and private researchers in the Washington, D.C. area. It is pivoting of technological advance developed by commercial firm financed by Incutel, the Intelligence Community's venture capital fund, officials SAID. In order to carry out the research, the project is tapping into the intelligence community's commercial cloud service, searching for patterns and anomalies in data, including from sophisticated radars that can see through storm and penetrate foliage. Budget document reviewed by Reuters noted plan to expand the focus of the mobile missile launcher program to the remainder of the Pentagon. 4 Un problem set, the Pentagon typically use the 4 terminology to refer to China, Russia, Iran, North Korea and terrorist group. Turning turtles into rifle supporters and critics of using a two-hand missile agree that it carries major risk. It could accelerate decision-making in a nuclear crisis. It could increase the chance of computer-generated errors. It might also provoke an ARMS race with Russia and China that could upset the global nuclear balance. US Air Force General John Hyten, the top commander of U.S. Nuclear Force, SAID once driven systems become fully operational, the Pentagon will need to think about creating safeguards to ensure humans, not machines, control the pace of nuclear decision-making, the escalation ladder, in Pentagon speak. Artificial intelligence could force you onto that ladder if you don't put the safeguard in it, Hyten, head of the U.S. Strategic Command, SAID in an interview. Once you're on it, then everything starts moving. Expert at the RAND Corporation, a public policy research body, and elsewhere says there is a high probability that countries like China and Russia could try to trick a missile hunting system, learning to hide their missile from identification. There is some evidence to suggest they could be successful. An experiment by MIT students showed how easy it was to dupe an advanced Google image classifier, in which a computer identifies objects. In that case, students fooled the system into concluding a plastic turtle was actually a rifle, ear doctor. Stephen Walker, director of the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, DARPA, a pioneer in that initially funded what became the Internet. SAID. The Pentagon still needs humans to review a system's conclusion. Because these systems can be fooled, Walker SAID in an interview, DARPA is working on a project to make a driven systems capable of better explaining themselves to human analysts, something the agency believes will be critical for high-tech national security programs. We can't be wrong, among those working to improve the effectiveness of is William Buzz Roberts, Director for Automation and Augmentation at the National Geospatial Agency. Roberts works on the front lines of the U.S. government's effort to develop it to help analyze satellite imagery, a crucial source of data for missile hunters. Last year, NGASAID USDA to scan and analyze 12 millions images. So far, Robert says NGA researchers have made progressing getting to help identify the presence or absence of a target of interest, although he declined to discuss individual programs. In trying to assess potential national security threats, the NGA researchers work under a different kind of pressure from their counterparts in the private sector. We can't be wrong, a lot of the commercial advancement in machine learning, computer vision, if they're all right, they're good, said Roberts. Although some of